We are finally getting some new Nokia phones as HMD Global has announced that the company is launching some new stuff at the IFA Berlin, which is happening in September. Now, one phone that is confirmed to launch at the event is the Nokia 7.2, which leaked a couple of months back in some hands-on images and is codenamed Daredevil. It was previously rumored to launch as Nokia 5.2, but now we know that it is indeed the Nokia 7.2. Recently, one of the employees at Zeiss shared the hands-on image of Nokia 7.2 revealing that circular camera module on the back. Now the image was taken down soon after it was posted, but still we got a chance to look at the design of the camera module. Today, however, a couple of more hands-on images of the Nokia 7.2 have leaked that reveal the design from the rear as well as from the front. So on the rear, as we know, the Nokia 7.2 has a triple camera setup placed in that circular camera module. The fingerprint scanner is also placed on the back. Flipping the phone over, we have a display with water drop notch on the front and a noticeable bottom bezel. Now we know that there is a primary 48 megapixel camera on the back and a secondary ultra wide angle camera with 120-degree field of view. As for the SoC, there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC as per the previously leaked images, but there are also rumors of Snapdragon 710. It is an Android One phone, so stock Android 9 Pie runs out of the box. The pricing is not yet known, but like all the Nokia Android phones, don't expect the Nokia 7.2 to launch with an aggressive price tag. It is sad that in 2019, Nokia is still going for Snapdragon 660 SoC for its mid-range phones. It is the same processor that powers the last year's Nokia 7 Plus, so it looks like the cameras are going to be the only highlight of Nokia 7.2. What do you think of the design of Nokia 7.2? Do let me know by the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.